Welcome home. This is 6095 Douneray Loop in Meadowcrest, the Hillcrest section. This is a beautiful centrally located community in Crystal River, Florida, and it's set inland. So when you think of being on the coast of the west coast of Florida, you're far enough inland that you don't have to worry about the concerns of flooding and those types of things. I'm going to walk you through this house. This is a beautifully remodeled home. Right off the bat, you see we have all new light fixtures, beautiful bamboo wood flooring throughout the main living area. This is the formal living room and dining room. And one thing I want to note as well is even the blinds have been updated. These are the really nice blinds that just slide up and down very easily. So you can open those up completely like we have some of the windows looking out back, or you can keep those blinds down whatever way you want to do that. Look at this magnificent kitchen. Gorgeous stone countertops, tons of cabinetry. So you can see there's banks of drawers on either side of the oven. We've got a nice large farm style sink, one basin, so you've got plenty of room, plenty of space to work with. And then to the right of the refrigerator is a pantry. This pantry has pull-out shelves. So everything is very easily accessible. Cooking will be a joy in this kitchen because you've got everything right where you need it and lots of storage. One of the things I think is great is the back of this island bar area, we have additional cabinets. So these are perfect spaces to do, extra cups and service items, maybe, your vases for flowers and just little things like that. We have the corner fireplace here. This is a electric insert. It could be used as a wood burning fireplace as well. So right here is what I call the guest wing of the house. This is a split bedroom plan. You can see there's a nice pocket door here to separate and give your guests privacy. We've got two good sized bedrooms. This one has an awesome walk-in closet. One of the things you'll notice as well with the upgrades to this home is they have closet systems in all the closets, which are customizable. You can change the level of the actual hanging racks and just use the closet to the best efficiency for what you have. I think that's spectacular because a lot of times with closets, if the shelves are fixed in place, depending on what your wardrobe looks like, that might not work as well. So nice guest bath, updated vanity, mirror, lighting. On down the hall we have a door that opens up to the pool. So your guests have very convenient pool access, and then you've got a pool bath that is easily accessible as well. The second guest bedroom here, and a nice closet. Again, good space, beautiful view of the pool from this bedroom. New carpeting in the bedrooms. And now I'll take you across the house to the owner's suite. So a couple more significant updates. The roof was just redone in February, which includes these beautiful skylights that you see above. So the kitchen has really nice natural lighting from those skylights. HVAC was replaced just a few years ago in 2021. And here is your primary bedroom suite. This bedroom has sliding doors that go out to the sunroom and then out to the pool. And you'll notice that those doors and windows there on the back are solar tinted. So that's going to help with energy efficiency. Nice walk-in closet here. Again, with the closet system, completely customizable what level you want these shelves put at. We've got a belt or tie rack, even a mirror so that you can get yourself ready in the morning and make sure you're in tip-top form. Beautiful quartz countertops here in this bathroom with two square sinks, new fixtures, new toilets, and a nice size shower. This water closet shower area completely closes off from the sinks and vanities, so you can have more than one person being able to get ready in the bathroom at a time. Second closet here, as well as what you just saw there, a linen storage area. So very well put together, good use of space in this house. Let's walk out on the pool deck. You'll notice we've got these beautiful pavers that really add some nice style to this pool deck area. And then these sliding doors. Now these sliding doors, they open up. So you can open up your sliders from the house, open up these sliders and be walking right out to your pool deck that's screened in. Look at this gorgeous pool. Absolutely beautiful, beautiful tiles, good size. So if you have family you like splashing around in the pool, this is a pool that you can really use and enjoy. Privacy bushes, so you're not feeling like you're an exhibitionist when you're swimming in your pool. And if you like to skinny dip, well, you have at it. So back inside, again, lots of great space to work with in this house. So talking about the area in the community, and I'll show you the laundry room and the garage while we do that, we are steps away from the clubhouse. You've got all kinds of activities, pickleball, a heated pool at the clubhouse, walking trails, just a lot of things to enjoy, parks, basketball court, something for everybody here. And you can just walk right down the sidewalk and get to that very easily, or ride your bike, rollerblade, golf cart. We've got a little recessed area here, which would be perfect for a golf cart, of course, your lawn equipment. So this is a great garage with some really good built-in features to it. Water heater there down below. It's nice that it's tucked out of the way. And of course, the laundry room here with some extra cabinets. So there you have it. This is a spectacular home. It is upgraded to the nines. It's ready for you to move right in. And all you need to do is give us a call, and we'll be happy to provide a private tour, give you any additional information that you need. My name's Ruth Squires. I'm with eXp Realty. We are RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. Give us a call at 352-794-1426. Have a great day.